If you are in 1990s and 1880s, did you remember this candy? Let's see. This one. Are you excited? Oh, this one. This one. Tootsie Roll. This is from. I am an Filipino, and this is from America. This is 1990s and 1880s, remember. Look at that one. Okay. Tootsie Roll kayo dyan. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. This is from pang 1990s pa natin o 1880s. Sa una napalito sa tindahan. Okay, Tootsie Roll. It's open. Yan, nabuksan na natin. So, we will eat. Wait. I will show what is inside. It's not open already. But thank you for Auntie Arlen who gave this. Auntie Arlen from America. Thank you for you. That is my auntie, guys. Oops. Oh. So sticky. And you remember this one? Like, this is so yummy. Look, this one. Wow. I will eat it. In 3, 2, 1. Yummy. So, I will say all this. Buy this now. And the yellow basket. Bye-bye.